What does it say?
Don't forget your job.
Don't forget what?
Your job.
Don't forget your job?
Yeah.
What's your job?
In the book.
In that book, yeah. You reading that tree book?
Yeah.
That's a good one?
Don't forget your job.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. I see some worms. See the worms?
I do see that, yeah.
See the worms?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Actually, those are the seeds. They look like worms, though.
It's a worm.
I know, it really looks like worms. Those are seeds.
It's not see the worm.
Oh, really? Okay.
What's that?
What's that? That's the page number.
Number.
Mm-hmm. Another number. Yeah, 79. You want to look at some other pages?
What are these?
This is some leaves and seeds.
What are these?
Yeah.
There are more petals. This different color. This a poop.
No, it's a pine cone.
Why?
This is a different kind of pine cone.
They look like a pool.
Don't bend the spine,
Why?
because it's old book. Gentle with it. Can you find some more leaves? Okay, say bye-bye.